Nice quality tin whistle that's just fun to have as a hobby, fun if you're having some accompanying music you're using it with. So it is in the key of D, as nearly every Irish tin whistle is. I purchased it because I'm being tasked to learn this to play as an accompaniment with a musical piece that's being done a bit folk, bit Celtic and so forth, but they said we needed an Irish tin whistle, and I used to be a saxophone player, so I got the job. So this is a combination of brass with a nice quality plastic whistle part on it too. You can see it sort of has the airflow there where a lot of the sound is conducted from. And then you've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes with it. And then you can see the pipe end there. So if you've ever played a clarinet or a saxophone, you have to hold your lips a little differently. You can't have that kind of tucked over the bottom teeth like you would with a woodwind instrument. This is definitely more just of a kind of put your head down a little bit, hold the whistle up, and play from there. So it does come with a solid clear plastic case. It's a good protection for it if you're going to be tossing it into your bag and carrying it around. So this is different from a standard recorder like your kid might need in school or something like that. This is a tin whistle. It's tuned differently and it has different purposes. But, you know, if you're picking up a musical hobby, if you're wanting your child to be able to learn it too, it's just a nice, easy way to learn another wind instrument. And, you know, it's just got a cool sound to it that not a whole lot of other people really know how to play. So I've had a decent time being able to keep this in tune. A lot of that depends on how you hold your jaw, how you hold your lip. The instrument is ready for it. You just have to be able to play it the right way to keep that tuning really good with it. So a nice beginner instrument. This is not difficult to just pick up and be making sounds with it right away. Whether it's sounds you want to hear, it might take a little bit more work, but it's a nice beginner instrument and a great hobby to pick up. So if you have any interest in Celtic music, folk music, maybe more a little of acoustic things, this is a nice thing to be able to just play along with what you're listening to. Perhaps if you have live music that you have a part of that you can jump in with too. It's a nice quality tin whistle to be able to pick up. I recommend.